Hello and welcome to History Headquarters. In this episode, we're going to look at perhaps the most important court case in our nation's history, Marbury versus Madison, and the decision that came out of it, judicial review. So Marbury versus Madison occurs in 1803, but to really understand it, we need to roll back time. We need to go back 14 years to 1789 in something called the Judiciary Act of 1789. This is where our country's courts were created right after the Constitution. And in this Judiciary Act of 1789 is a power that's not really in the Constitution, but it's given to the Supreme Court, and that is the power of a writ of mandamus. A writ of mandamus is, in essence, a command from a court. If you are given a writ of mandamus, you have to do what the court says. I mean, it literally translates to "we command." So now that we understand what exactly a writ of mandamus is and what exactly the Judiciary Act of 1789 did, let's get back to the court case. So in 1803, William Marbury takes James Madison to court because the previous president, John Adams, had given William Marbury a job as a judge. And James Madison, the new Secretary of State under Thomas Jefferson, our third president, was not letting him have the job. So when William Marbury doesn't get this job, he feels really slighted and he feels like he's been robbed of something. So he sues James Madison and takes him directly to the Supreme Court. Why? He wants a writ of mandamus. So William Marbury wants this writ of mandamus because if he can get it from Chief Justice John Marshall, then he can force James Madison to give him his job as a judge. The reply from Chief Justice John Marshall, though, surprises everybody. He says three important things. First off, yeah, Marbury, if you were looking to get a writ of mandamus, you came to the right place. Two, yeah, I can give you a writ of mandamus. And three, the law, though, that gives me the power to give you a writ of mandamus is unconstitutional. And therefore, I can't give it to you. So this is crazy. John Marshall, a Federalist, ruled against a fellow Federalist in order to gain power in the new administration. And he did it by saying a law, the Judicial Act of 1789, which had created the whole court system to begin with, has an unconstitutional part in it. And that is the part allowing the courts to order writ of mandamus. So the ability for the court system to view a law of Congress and declare whether it is constitutional or not is known as judicial review. And it is the whole reason why our judicial branch has much power at all. And the real kicker is, it's not in the Constitution. The idea of judicial review is super, super important to American politics. It is the third branch of government, and it is able to keep the other two branches in check because of it. And without Marbury versus Madison, and without John Marshall's decision in it, who knows what fate our country would have taken. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you like this and want to see more history videos, quick little history videos at that. And subscribe if you want to keep up to date on everything I'm doing here on the channel. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you later.